Hello ladies and gentlemen. You might be facing issues with the corrupted pendrive having numerous amount of shortcuts in it. If yes, no worries, I've got you covered. This video explains you exactly how to get rid of those anonymous shortcut files and recover your precious data on the pendrive. Being said, hey, this is Veer and you're watching TechSide. So let me show you how these shortcuts appear in the pendrive. These are basically called torsions and it affects your computer in numerous ways. If you want to know how to remove the torsion and skip the explanation, you can move to the following timestamp. So here, what we see are shortcut files in which it shows that it's a .lnk file, which is abbreviated as link, in which these files hide the contents of a specific drive which is placed in, changes the permission of read and write, and more according to how it was designed to. This code is specifically downloaded from a website and I've read the codes. Yeah, I seriously read the codes. The torsion might also be in the form of an .exe or a .dat file, which is an executable or a batch file respectively. If the file is .exe and you did not run the .exe file, there might be an autorun script which is in the form of an .inf, which is also referred as a setup information file, which is commonly used by Windows to install drivers automatically to the systems. And in case of .bat file, it literally does the same as .inf to run the scripts, applications, etc. Here I have infected my pendrive currently and wanted to get my files back. One option is to format it, but I need my important document, which in this case is an image. Assumptions are required in science. Okay, after inserting the pendrive to your system, just open the folder location of your pendrive. So you can see here that it has been created a shortcut for every file in the pendrive, and I'm not able to open these files shortcut. The way to fix this is simple by only using two commands in command prompt. Just open the command prompt inside the specific folder. This can be simply done by typing the command CMD in the directory bar. Else you can open the command prompt in a traditional way and enter the drive letter followed by a column to enter into a specific drive. In my case, it's letter E. After entering to the drive, enter the following command, which is del space *.lnk, which as previously said is a link file. This should remove all the .lnk files in the specified location or directory. In my case, it removes all the shortcuts. Yet, I don't see my files anymore. For that, you need to enter a following command, which is attrib -s-r-h/s/d with all spaces as shown here, and click enter. Voila, there it is, all files recovered. You might be asking, why the delete command and the attribute command? To be precise, .lnk file is the thing which caused the shortcuts, so deleting it wouldn't matter, and the attribute command is to retrieve the file properties in which .lnk has changed to my personal file properties. So using this attribute command, we'll get all the files to normal. That's all with respect to recovering files. But we have used two codes here. I'm sure you wanted to know what the code means. So the delete command. This deletes the .extension file, which is the .lnk file in this matter, in the specific drive. You can also use del space *.exe or del followed by *.jpg if you want to delete number of files in a specific format without having a burden of selecting all those files, grouping it and deleting it. So the second command, attrib -s-r-h/s/d. Here, S signifies the system attribute, in which if the attribute is applied, the following file will act as a system file and vice versa. R signifies the read and only permission, and H for hidden or not, and +sign for applying it and minus for removing those attributes from those files. So what about /s and /d? So S signifies subfolder, The parameters such as SRH will also be applied for the subfolders which were affected as well, which in turn retrieve all the subfolders, which includes all the subfolders and files inside a folder. And /d applies attribute and command line options to directories. So without any parameters, typing only attrib will show you these above mentioned options so that you can specify the parameters for it. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked the video, and please do subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like this video. Share to your beloved ones so that they can know about this link torsion removal. Being said, this is Veer signing off. Bye bye.